Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by collecting evidence. Get the F1vm log files and the system journal immediately. Explain why. Logs show the crash signature and timestamp, which direct the fix. Once done, record kernel, distro, F1vm, and hypervisor versions so you can reproduce the environment. Make a backup of the VM disk and configuration now. You must be able to roll back. While you do that, stop the F1vm service to prevent further corruption and preserve logs intact. You now analyze the data. Scan stack traces and look for OOM killer, seg faults, or specific driver failures. This tells you whether it is resource exhaustion, memory corruption, or incompatible code. Next, measure CPU, RAM, and disk I/O under load to rule out bottlenecks and check C group limits and quotas. Also confirm kernel modules, firmware, and hypervisor versions match F1vm requirements. Mismatches cause subtle crashes. If you find a suspect, reproduce with a control. You implement the fix that matches the diagnosis. Apply the patch, adjust F1vm config, upgrade the kernel or hypervisor, or increase RAM/IO limits, and explain why each action addresses the root cause. Once applied, run staged validation tests and enable monitoring to confirm stability for 24 to 72 hours. If the crash persists, produce a full core dump with debug symbols, annotate logs with reproduction steps, and escalate to maintainers. This gives them what they need to replicate and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.